Hi guys, welcome to a new POV drive. Here, this is the key of the beautiful W123 Mercedes. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna do a quick drive through the Netherlands where I live. I will drive to a beautiful spot that I know, one of the most beautiful spots here in the place where I live. But okay, let's start it. The window is a little bit foggy, so I have to put the blower on. Let's start it. Oh, lovely. It sounds very good. Always. Ooh. I'm going to show you the engine. I think you like that. Here you have the thing. There it is. All right. So, I've put the camera back on the roof, and yeah, let's take a quick drive. First, the seatbelt on. Safety is important. There we go. Oh, I love the sound of this car. It's so calm. It's love. I can't describe it. It's too good to describe. It's not a car that screams. It's a slow car. It's yeah, just calm and lovely. I think we go to the right here. And I need to put the blower a bit harder, I guess. So, here we go. It's a beautiful day today. It was freezing cold. It was like freezing cold for the place where I live. It was like -5 degrees or something. But the feeling the feeling temperature was like -15 degrees. So it was feeling very cold outside. But this car never let you down. I've posted some YouTube shorts and some Instagram reels of the cold starts back last week, and it started every time. It starts always every time. This car runs forever. Oh. Oh, that's a friend of mine. I saw a friend of mine. But yeah, like I said, it's one of the best cars in the world, and it never lets you down. That's what I like about it. Don't mind me if I'm not that good at speaking English, but yeah, I don't know where to talk about, but I hope you enjoyed that I talk a little bit while driving instead of just driving and not talking. Let's do a quick acceleration. Ooh, nice. Oh. That sounds good also. Driving slow sounds good, but driving fast is also a lot of fun to do. Or yeah, it's what you can call fast. It's not a fast car, but yeah. For this car, if you press the pedal, for me it is fast. I never drive another car like than this car. I'd like to know what car do you drive? Do you drive an Oldtimer also? So yeah, well, what kind of an Oldtimer? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I want to know. I love old cars. So let me know, what car do you drive? I want to learn better English so bad. Oh, my English is bad, so I want to learn it. But yeah, I think I just have to do it like this, just talk with you guys and learn it that way. I think. Or I just have to go on vacation in England or something. I think if I'm going to live for 1 year in England or in America or whatever where they speak English, I think I'm going to learn very good English just by doing it and just by surrounding you with people yeah, that also speak English. Here in my country, in the Netherlands, we all speak Dutch, and in the place where I live, we speak Frisian. I don't know how to call it in English, but in the Netherlands we speak two languages, Dutch and Frisian. A lot of Dutch people say, no, it's not a language, that's Frisian, it's an accent, but it is a language. Yeah, it's a language. Even the street names here are called in Frisian and also in Dutch. But yeah, here in this regio, I don't know how to call it in English. Even in this place of the Netherlands, yeah, we love our little place called Friesland. Friesland zeggen we in Nederland. We say Friesland in Dutch. That was what I say. But yeah, we love this place, and I love driving it here, the W123. I think this is one of the most beautiful places here. Oh, in a few minutes or in an hour or something, you will be having a very nice sunset here. The sun goes goes down in the water. I like to see that sometimes. In the summer or in spring, I'm almost every day outside. In the winter, yeah, it's cold, but yeah, I like to drive and to just enjoy being outside or being in my car. But yeah, I think if you're driving, you're a bit outside too. But yeah, I don't know. I hope you understand me. But you're a little bit outside. You can see the landscapes, the beauty of the world a bit, and I like it. I don't like it to be all day in my house and yeah, just behind my laptop. I don't know. I don't like that. But okay. This is my ultimate favorite spot here. Oh. Here, this is the highest point, the highest place of Frisia. Not of the Netherlands, but of at Frisia. This is the highest place. That's because in the ice time, the time a lot of 100,000 years ago or something, there was made, yeah, by the ice there was made a hill, and that's why it now is the highest point of Frisia. We don't have a lot of hills in this country. My car here behind the road anywhere in a couple of minutes, seconds. And if you have any questions that you want me to answer, please let me know in the comments so I can answer it. And there we are, on a beautiful road. I love it to drive here sometimes, or almost every day, but I love it. I'm going to take some shots of the car for you. So. Look at this. It's kind of rusty here. I'm gonna fix that later. The engine, yeah, it's already warm. And this is bad. Someone bumped into my car a few months ago. Yeah, it was not nice. I was parked on my own, yeah, on my own home, my own terrain. I don't know how to call it in English, but I was just standing. I had my car parked for my home, and someone just drove against to it, and yeah, that was not so nice. But I hope the insurance will fix it, and I'm going to buy a new door, and yeah, then I hope to fix it that way. and then me and my dad. It's my dad's car. This the Mercedes W123. This is from my dad. I hope yeah, we can fix the rust then also. But yeah, that's a nice thing to do when it is summer, when it is spring, because we don't have a lot of place inside our home to do it. And it is off again. So I hope you liked this kind of videos, and let me know if I have to do more talking POV drives. And I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, yeah. And subscribe.